Hey, I'm Daiki from Fishing Life Awaji, Japan. This is our early December trip. We got some yellowtail and other unique fish, like hobo the rubbing fish and black snapper.
それ外れてる。花ついて。はい。よいしょ。はい。です。はい、あともぐーっと上に持ち上げて、ぐーっと上に持ち上げて。あ、見えた。
He got another yellowtail, but the line broke.
Oh my god! これでもなんかあんまり効いてる感じして。
And there was also a unique guest when he was fishing red snapper.
あ、ホウボウ。
It's called hobo in our language, and it's a rubbing fish. It's also a very delicious fish.
でかいでかいでかい。はい、これちょっと下して切って。
Hey, so this is what I brought back today. I'm gonna cook something delicious. It's a black snapper, by the way. This black snapper is pretty common target, especially for people who fish from the shore. Get it and got it. They usually live in the shallow water, like in a port or a creek, and most of them are a little stinky from what they eat, like some dead bait or rotten bait in the mud. Get it? Get it. But this is what I caught from offshore, about 20 meters deep, so it's not stinky at all. And scale it. Now I'm gonna remove all the fins because I'm gonna grill it the whole. Still dirty. Scrape off the dirt. Alright. Cut off the head from the collar. And separate the collar from the head. Collar. I'm gonna cook this part too. And I'm gonna use this head part too. You know, the fish have a lot of meat in their head, and they're really good. Okay, now the fish is prepared. Wipe up and remove excess water. Score the skin for grilling so that the meat can easily take in the flavor and heat, and also that makes much easier when we eat it. Now, salt it. Right. Now the fish is all prepared for the grill. Now I'm up to flavoring. Parsley. And oregano. Herbs. It looks already delicious. Olive oil. Flour. Now fry the fish with olive oil until the skin gets brown and crispy. It takes about 3 minutes each. It smells really nice at this point. Now work on the sauce, garlic, minced the garlic, the scallion, yuzu, Japanese citrus, and put them in the oven maybe 10 minutes or so. Now the fish has been heated only the surface, so I have to heat it to the inside. Now work on the sauce, olive oil, garlic, scallion, stir it until it gets brown. Butter and yuzu, the Japanese citrus. I use the whole. And a little bit of soy sauce, ondashi, a bit. Mix all together and taste. It tastes awesome. Now letting the fish absorb the sauce. Okay, it's done. Let's try. Here. It's perfect.